Here we are, mid-renovation. I don't always get to see the houses mid-renovation, but this is the beautiful neighborhood. Let's go inside. Gotta be careful. This is like a block of ice and I'm wearing Uggs. Oh my goodness. Hey, Terry. All right, how are you? Okay.
Okay, here we are at 18611 Blackmore. All the new windows are in. Really looks great. The gutter looks horrible, but the weather has not cooperated lately to get up new gutters, but there will be new gutters up. And then the black paint that you see is going to be siding and wrapped in aluminum. But this weather just has not cooperated. So anyways, all the new windows got put in before the harsh weather. All right, let's go inside and take a look. All right, here we are coming in the front door. Nice little entryway here with a hall closet.
So they told me these floors here were all buckled. So they fixed that.
Here we are, February 15th, Northern Michigan.
You ready?
Doing a sauna and cold plunge day.
Hey, if you like all this great content I bring, I go to extremes for you. Just hit that like and subscribe. Thank you. It's a wide hallway. So here's the bedroom. We're waiting on windows. We'll have this all done by the time the windows get here and it'll just be done. This is going to be done in a week from today, I was told. Oh, the floors must have buckled in here too.
Sorry.
You're okay. And the lovely bathroom. Should we look in the toilet? We shouldn't. But it's a double flush. Ew. Okay. Ew. I just don't believe somebody lived here and, like, did they not ever take a bath? I mean, I don't get it.
And then we come right into the living room. We still have some of our stuff here from working on the place, but we're keeping it here until we get to the next one so it doesn't freeze at the next house. So nice big living room. And the carpet's not down. I'm not putting the carpet down until right before move-in. So Andrew's got somebody, a Section 8 tenant, that is going to let him know either today or tomorrow that they're going to move in. So it looks like we're getting close to that. So here we go down the hall to the right. There's the bathroom, vanity, new toilet, new window in there, new light, new mirrors. We put all new doors in this place, interior doors. Here's bedroom 1. This is the house sitter's stuff. He's staying in that room. The bedroom, and then your closet there. And you come across the hall, bedroom number 2. In the back of the house, another good sized room. Closet. New windows, new blinds, new lights. And then here's bedroom 3 with the rest of our paint stuff. Closet over there. All painted, same thing in here, new doors, lights, blinds. Back in the living room.
I'm not going to bother them while they're working. Jeff, is this the kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, this is the kitchen.
Here's the dining room. We put new LVP down through the dining room and into the kitchen. There's a little closet right there for the dining room. And you come into the kitchen. Really nice kitchen space now. Nice long countertop, all brand new cupboards, new floor, new windows, lights. Put in a new light above the sink. That's kind of nice. You can there, and then your stove there for gas stove, and refrigerator here. Nice kitchen, really good space. The dining room makes a big difference being right there. So, and then we go down the basement.
Let's see if I can find the basement. Yeah, I've not been down here. Don't know what I'm gonna see. This kills me that people live in a house with doors this dirty. It just is so disgusting to me. Okay. Here is the basement. I think a furnace is coming in today. Here's our temporary heat. Here's another toilet. Oh my gosh. I don't know where that was. I'm not looking in it. Okay. I don't think it's attached. Oh, it is attached. Okay. This is an old furnace. This is one of the signs of an old furnace. So I can't wait to get the after video. Glass black walls, that's good. These cobwebs will be gone.
New vinyl plank on the steps and landing. This stairway will get carpet when we do the upstairs. And here's the basement. This is a great basement. Glass block windows. We changed all the PEX, took the galvanized out and put in PEX plumbing. There were a bunch of walls down here, closets and stuff back there, but they were all a mess. So we just ripped it out and have one big open basement. And then your laundry area over here, we'll put a new hot water heater right here. New utility sink. Hookups for your washer there on the wall. Dryer here. And a brand new electrical panel. That's new 100 amp service. Back upstairs. And that's it. 18611 Blackmore. Give you a quick look at the neighborhood too. It's a really nice neighborhood. Nice brick homes. Great neighbors over here. Brian, great neighbor. Been there for 40 plus years. And then this guy over here has been there 40 plus years too. Really nice people. But it's a beautiful neighborhood. All right, that's it.